I made a video that said I believe in the firmament and I don't believe space is real. I believe it's all water out there. And motherfuckers is like, oh, you gotta explain that, please. So yeah, let me go ahead and deal with this real quick. You mind if I reason with you for a second? Hear me out. The problem isn't that you don't believe in the firmament, because you do. The problem is that it was explained to you by some idiots. That's what it is. I mean, I get bless their heart. They tried their best, but they couldn't really explain it to you, because when they read the Bible and shit, they read spookism. I don't read spookism. Everything in the Bible is scientific, and I'm finna prove to you with this video that the Bible is always motherfucking right. The Bible is always motherfucking right. Always right. Sometimes. First, we're gonna deal with the firmament. Everybody is all arguments. As soon as you bring up the firmament, motherfuckers like, oh, we got another conspiracy theorist. Nah, bitch, science agrees with me. The problem is that you can't read between motherfucking lines. It's very simple. What everybody is calling the firmament, science calls the exosphere. Yeah, you heard of the atmosphere, but you ain't paid no attention to the exosphere. Well, let's break down that term for you. Exo, that means outside, external, right? Sphere means circling some shit. So you got a sphere. We have an external sphere circling us. That's what that means. Sounds like a firmament to me, bitch. And I can show you the exosphere right here. Let's pay attention to sky stone. This is sky stone. This is mysterious stone that falls from the motherfucking sky. And you know what it's made of? It's made of motherfucking water in a solidified state that is not ice. Pay attention, bitch. Now look, now you gotta ask yourself, what is the purpose of a firmament? I think it's simple. It serves two reasons. Reason number one is to keep whatever's the fuck inside, and whatever's the fuck outside. Now the second reason, motherfucker, the second reason for the firmament is to separate the waters from the waters. Now let me explain something to you. If you don't understand that, well, it ain't the firmament's fault. The fact is you don't understand water. Now, to understand water, you got to understand the fact that water comes in 4 states. They're going to tell you 3. You're going to look up, it's going to say 3. It's going to say solid, liquid, and gas. Let me explain to you. It come in 4. That 4th being vapor. Now, I know some of y'all going to say, but ain't vapor, gas the same thing? No, the fuck it is not. No, it is not. That's how you've been taught. Well, baby, you've been taught wrong. Most gases you can't even see, but vapors you can clearly see, like steam, mist, fog. That's vapor, bitch. Well, now look, if you understand that, then you also understand that you breathe in several gases all day long. I don't know who the fuck told you all you breathe in is oxygen, but they lied to you, bitch. You breathing in gases and shit all motherfucking day. And the most common gas you breathing in is motherfucking water. Yes, it is. It is everywhere all the time. That's the reason why there's a saying, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. That's because even in the desert, with water everywhere, you could die of motherfucking thirst. Well, that was back then, because right now, we actually pull water from the air, motherfucker. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And now it's people drinking water that wouldn't have been drinking water, nigga. Yes, it is, and it ain't got no fluoride. Pay attention, bitch. Hear me out now. If there's water in this air, well, let's see, damn, is there water in space? Well, look here, bitch. There's water in space. Water is one of the most common things you find in space. It is everywhere. It's around stars and shit, and it comes in gas and vapor, and it's every motherfucking where. So damn, you telling me we got something called the exosphere that's separating the waters from the waters, and you telling me that you don't believe the firmament is real? Well, God be goddamn. And I know some of you at-home rocket scientists and you basement physicists finna say, well, how do we get to the moon if we ain't left the planet? Well, bitch, the moon is in Earth's exosphere, which means the moon is on the planet. It say it right here, bitch. I think this is dealt with. At this point. I'm gonna let y'all argue about whether or not it's flat or not, bitch. But I think now you understand the firmament and that they're separating the waters from the motherfucking waters. It's like a planetary condom when you think about it. But TikTok, this just a joke for entertainment purposes only. We just having fun. What the fuck do I know? I don't know shit. All I know is the firmament is something to keep motherfuckers out, or it's keeping motherfuckers in. Either way it go, I know we can't go no motherfucking well, and that sounds like a prison to me. Follow me for more.